If you are new or a beginner to AI and you are building an AI application, you might be making these 5 mistakes. Hello everyone, welcome back to my digital diaries and you're watching Inside the AI Stack video series. In today's episode, we are going to see what are the common mistakes beginners make while working with AI. Watch this video till the end. If you like it, please click on a like button to share it with your friends and colleagues. And if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Let's start today's episode. Mistake 1. Using agent for everything. Beginners get excited and turn every task into an agent. But if your workflow is fixed, same steps every single time, you don't need an agent. Use a chain instead. It's simpler, faster, and easier to control. Save agents for when the AI actually needs to decide what to do. Mistake number 2. Poor chunking in RAG. When you split your documents into pieces for retrieval, how you cut them matters. Bad chunks means bad retrieval. The AI simply can't find the right answer even if it's sitting right there in your data. And here is the key point. Don't blame the model. Most of the time the problem is how your data was chunked, not the AI itself. Mistake number 3. Too much context. Beginner thinks more information equals better answer. But that's not true. Stuffing too much context into the AI can confuse it, slow it down, and even bury the actual answer under the irrelevant details. More context does not mean better answer. Give the AI what it needs, nothing more than that. Mistake number 4. No evaluation system. You build something, it seems to work, but how do you really know that it is working? Without measuring accuracy, retrieval quality, and hallucination, you are just guessing. Always set up a way to measure how well your system performs before you trust it in production. And finally, ignoring security. AI system can be attacked too. Always validate user inputs, patch deserialize issues, and guard against SQL injection. Just because it's AI doesn't mean the old security rules stop applying. So, don't overuse agents, chunk your data well, don't overload the context, always evaluate, and never skip security. Avoid this 5 and you are already ahead of most of the beginners. If this helps you to understand AI a little better, hit that like button, share it with someone who is learning to. Drop a comment. If you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing to the channel and join the family for more video like this. Thanks for watching.